bills to pay, rooms to clean, meals to make. What a life that we've designed. I'd do it a million times with you and never get tired. You're my piece of heaven on earth. Oh, you make it all worth it. You're the
You've got the ice scaler on the left there, Lynn.
Yeah, we'll be going, saying hello to the high scaler soon.
Yeah, we can park just round the corner at the end and walk down the road to the dam. It's quite quiet on here yet.
Yeah, it'll be really good to walk across with maybe not too many people about.
A couple of people walking here and a couple of people coming the other way, but I suppose within the next hour it will start getting really busy. It's like we could be the first car
On the car park.
Oh, there we go. And we're going to park.
It's nice and shady.
It's nice and shady. I'll go there. So here we are at Hoover Dam on the Arizona side here, and we're going to walk down here now and cross the dam.
cars to fix, bills to pay, rooms to clean, meals to make. What a life that we've designed.
Amazing walking just in this place here, and just looking at the dam as you come across, and then as we get further down you'll see all the spillways as we come across. All the rock, and they've had to put this wall up there just to stop the rock sliding, I would say, onto the road. It's amazing here, absolutely amazing. All the colour and everything of it is absolutely fabulous as well. So just have a look at the spillways here and Hoover Dam with the Osmo camera. This here now, the spillways here at Hoover Dam. That's just absolutely fantastic, that is, to see them. Let's just take it that way as well for you. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to use the Insta360, and we're going to drop down and have a look under the spillway tunnel as we go across there. Just come in and start walking over the dam now. We've got all these different signs and everything. So I'm just going to have a look again now with the Insta360 here. We'll also look here now as we come across the spillway tunnel at the top. So we should be getting some absolutely fabulous footage here for you. It's amazing as I come across here now. Look as well of what you can actually see as I start heading across. I'm not actually on the dam yet. We'll be on the dam pretty soon. I'm going to have a look in a minute all the way up the river and show you that as well. Another Insta film here as we start walking across the first lead up to the dam, and we can see all up the lake and all the intake towers and everything as we come across. Wow, look at this here. This is just absolutely spectacular here as we start coming across the dam. It's beautiful, it's amazing, and you can see right up the river there. Let's carry on. Daryl's just taking some of his pictures and everything there, and then we are as well. So the speed limit on the dam's 15 miles an hour, so you can't come over any faster, else they will do you. So we're gonna head in a minute just round this corner, and as I go round the corner, that's taking me straight onto the dam. Another look here over the wall. That's amazing. So we're carrying on, and as I go round this corner, as I've just said to you, this is going to take me straight on the dam. So we're virtually on the actual dam here now, and we're walking across the dam. So this should be absolutely fabulous footage I'm getting for you as I come across here. So you'll see it in all directions. You'll see all the intake towers and everything like that, and you'll see now that I'm coming to the Nevada Tower here. You can't actually walk to them; they are completely closed off. But you can, I think, just go a little way, which I will have a look now and do that for you. But you can, I think, just go a little way, which I will have a look now and do that for you. So yeah, here you are. There's the Nevada intake tower there in front of me. So what we're going to do here is just have a look at all this area, which I can remember used to be flooded, but not anymore. Carry on over the bridge, and we should be getting in a minute to the point where we're on the state line. That's right in the middle of the bridge, somewhere where Daryl's standing. So let's head down. Let's head down to there now for you, and check that out and see what it says there. Look at this! It's just amazing. I just love walking over here, and I've got to say to you, it is hot. It is very hot. So the Hoover Dam, it was started construction in 1931 and finished in 1935. And we're getting here now, as I say, to the middle of the bridge where we cross. We're in Arizona at the moment, and I've just crossed into Nevada. Right here, this looks absolutely fabulous here, and you can see there how low the water actually is today. So let's have a look here and give the camera a wave there. Here at Hoover Dam. Let's carry on. Look at the bridge across there as well. That's absolutely fabulous, and that's the point there. Look, what I've just mentioned to you. Let's carry on walking and get across to where it says Hoover Dam exhibitions. So I'm coming now to the actual Nevada water intake tower. That should be absolutely brilliant to see as well. Well, I think it's getting hotter and hotter as I get across here. The rock formation is just absolutely incredible. So let's just have a look here now and see this Nevada intake tower here, and we can see Spillway House and Event Centre. Let's just zoom in on that. So they must have all the events and everything that go on in there. Wow. We can carry on, and I'm carrying on now to the exhibits where you used to be able to rub the angels' feet. We haven't been able to do that for 2 or 3 years because there's been construction there, and they've even taken now down the flags. There used to be US flags. Look at these motorbikes here. Coming across the bridge, and what they've done here as well, where they're working now, they've actually blocked the footpath off, so you can no longer walk up there past it. So we've got across the road and go to the other side. So yeah, they are starting to do the work on that now. That's pretty amazing. Look at all the rock and everything that we've got here as we start walking up towards the ice scaler and the cafe and the shop. It's coming up now to 8:25, so I would say that probably is still closed. I wouldn't have said it was going to be open, but you never know. Sky now is awesome. There's not a cloud in the sky. It really is beautiful today. There is, like I say, they are doing now these statues. I think they're repaving everywhere. So hopefully next year that will be open again. Really feel the heat now as I start going up here. Let's carry on and have a look at the Hoover Dam tour.
Morning.
Morning. the actual Hoover Dam tour is down these massive escalators here. There's an elevator as well if you need to go down the elevator rather than going down the escalator. Look at the palm trees here. These look absolutely fabulous. Let's walk up past all these fantastic palm trees here and go up to where the ice scaler is. Wow, amazing. And like I say, it is just getting so hot here now as I walk up here. So I've got now the car park, which is what you're looking at in front of me there, and we've got the shop and the cafe. But like I say, I would imagine at the moment that's all going to be closed off. Let's carry on past the gift store and the Hoover Dam cafe. You imagine this gets quite busy. They've got all the sunshades and everything, so when you buy something you can take your food or your drink there and go sit down. And then we are going to go right up to the ice scaler, who's just sitting in front of me here. So yeah, there's the ice scaler here at Hoover Dam, and he's been sitting there for many years. Absolutely amazing. And the ice scaler scaling on the wall. Absolutely wonderful.
Cars to fix, bills to pay, rooms to clean, meals to make. What a life that we've designed. I do it a million times with you and never get tired. You're my piece of heaven on earth. Oh, you make it all worth it.
And see what we can see as we go down. Like I say, unfortunately the shop will be closed. We won't be able to go and have a look at that today. I think it opens about 9 o'clock. So let's go down and walk the other side of the dam for you, and take a look at all the different views and everything we get from that side as we go across. So that should be absolutely fabulous. Again, as I say, a few more people coming up here now as well. Look, Daryl's filming in front of us. He's probably doing a live.
We're doing a live. We've got the #1 fan of the channel.
Who's on?
At the moment.
HW?
No, not on YouTube.
GIV?
No, so we have our #1 fan.
So let's carry on. Let's have a look. Let's have a look here. And we're going to have a look now down where you actually go down for the Hoover Dam tours, and that's straight in front of me. The visitor centre is here. Let's have a look down the escalator. It goes quite deep down and underneath. Let's have a look. Wow, look at it down there. Absolutely amazing. You can go down and have a quick look and see what we can see as we enter down under there. I think it's probably only the doors to go in. Yeah, there's the main entrance to the tour, and you have to go through security there, but it's not open yet. Just been have a quick look. Couldn't really see much because, like I say, it was still closed. But I think it was worth going. Start now going back down here, and I'm going to start having a look over the wall, where you can actually see the big drop and the dam walls, and that's just down here. So we're going to bring you some more absolutely fabulous footage as we do that, which should be absolutely fantastic. Beautiful day. You just can't get anything any better than this. It's pretty amazing. Let's carry on and let's have a look here and have a look over all these different amazing overpasses that we've got here as I come over the dam here. Look at this now. And look at this now here for an absolute fabulous view here of Hoover Dam today. And let's just change the position of the shot there and put it behind us. Wow. That's fabulous. Just check this out now. This 360 degree view I've got here now of Hoover Dam today. So just take a look at this here now. This is fabulous. I can see all down the lake there. We have been to virtually where you can see the water barrier last year on the raft, and then if I spin the camera around this way, see the amazing Hoover Dam as I come across here now is just absolutely outstanding. Daryl's in front of me there, and we're coming along and going to walk here along this side of the Hoover Dam, and then we're going to have a look in a minute at some of the overlooks that they have got. It's absolutely amazing to be here at such a beautiful place. Oh, let's carry over this absolutely spectacular dam here in Nevada and Arizona, the Hoover Dam, and I'm going to get now some more 360 footage. So we're going to carry on walking along here now, past all the old ticket offices and everything like that that they used to have here. Have a look out through here at the bridge and at the lake, and look down the dam. Fabulous. So look at that now.
That's a damn big
As we look over the dam there, and I'll drop the camera down so we can have a look there as well. But that should just give me absolutely spectacular footage there here of the Hoover Dam. And then we're going to carry on. Daryl's doing a bit of filming in front of us there, so we're going to walk to him now and see what he's doing. Doing his filming. I'm just going to have a look at these views I've got here of this absolutely fabulous flyover that they constructed here a few years ago, and have a look down at the foot of the dam. It's getting warmer now as well. It's still very humid. Still a lot of humidity in the air. Across the road there, we've got the Hoover Dam security dog. He's walking across and just making sure everything's safe for us. So I'm going to have a look, I think, at one of these points here, and get the 360 camera up again so you can have another look. I think we'll stop at the one I'm just coming to here with the bins and everything on them, and stick this camera up and see what we can see. We'll have a look first with the ordinary camera and have a look over the dam. That's amazing. And we'll have a look upriver. What a view that actually is here today.
726 feet.
Wave to the camera then.
That's just
That's just going
going to be
to be an absolute superb
amazing
picture there. We'll drop down there now, so we're looking down the dam or up the dam to where we're standing. So yeah, that should be a pretty wild shot I'm getting you here of the Hoover Dam. Here we are. We're walking back now. I'll just change the direction again there so you can see the other way. So it, like I said, it should be giving us a absolutely spectacular view now here as we cross the dam. So this video of Hoover Dam today should be absolutely spectacular and completely different to any other one that we've done. We're virtually across now. I've had a spectacular walk all the way across the dam the other side, and then come back on myself on this side and taking a load of video. So peaceful walk as well today. There hasn't been many people about, which has made the walk probably a lot better quite quiet. But it's absolutely beautiful, beautiful place to be. So Daryl's looking right at the end here. I'm going to walk to him and just see what he's doing and what he's up to. He's standing in the shade, and I've just come in the shade now. My word, it makes a difference, that does. When the sun is baking on you, it is just that hot. I'm now standing here looking over Hoover Dam, and all I can say is wow. And I'm just going to change the handle of the camera now so you can actually see where I was standing, and I'll give the camera a wave.
Morning, how are you guys? Beautiful.
You're all right, and there's the patrol dog.
Not too hot. Yeah, better than the last few days.
Yeah.
Oh, we prefer the rain out here. I can imagine, yeah.
So we're going to start heading back towards the car now. We're right by the spillways here on the dam. Just look at the rugged terrain that we've got. It's amazing. Daryl's walking in front of me. I should imagine he's quite warm as well, just like I feel, as we head back to the car. Still quite a way back. We've got to walk right up there to the first car park, right in the middle of the screen there. A few more clouds bubbled up there over the mountain. So we're gonna drive now to Lake Mead, back over the dam, and probably just quickly get something to eat before we need to go for the boat ride. I hope I brought you a spectacular video today of Hoover Dam, and I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, of course, please like, please share, and of course, please subscribe to the channel. See you soon on the next video. So we had a fabulous walk over Hoover Dam, and we're now just going to go and have a walk, well, have a drive to the picnic table, and probably just have 10 or 15 minutes there, seeing what we can do, and then we'll have to head to the boat ride. So Hoover Dam, walking across there just has been spectacular, hasn't it?
Lovely. It's very hot, humid, I think, today again. All the humidity about.
Yeah, it's been really, really warm. It's felt, even though it hasn't felt as warm as, well, it hasn't been as warm, should I say, as other years. It's still felt it, hasn't it, really? It's been really, really hot.
80 degrees. So we walked across here at well over 100 most of the time, 20 degrees hotter. But yeah, it felt really, really warm in that sunshine today.
It did. It just felt horrendous, really, didn't it, in a way?
Yeah, it certainly was, but enjoyable, which was good. So I'm looking forward to going to the table now, which should be different this time, and just maybe have a coffee and a quick snack. And we've got to be at Lake Mead realistically now in less than an hour, haven't we?
Yeah, so we're not going to have long at the table, are we, today, really?
No.
Like you say, it'll probably just be a quick snack, really, won't it?
It will be, yeah. I'm looking forward to the cruise. It's probably something that we wouldn't do again, but it'll be something that we haven't done before, isn't it?
Yeah, should be good. How long are we actually on the cruise for?
So it's from 11 o'clock until 12:30, so probably going to be, I would probably say, what, an hour and a half, maybe an hour and 10 minutes or something by the time.
It's really on the videos today from the other days.
Definitely, 100%.
Speed limit 25 mile an hour.
Heading towards the Las Vegas and the Phoenix Turner. A blue Mustang in front, it's not.
Yeah, it's fabulous, isn't
And
it?
welcome to Nevada sign.
And then you can see in front of you, look, the bypass road.
Yeah, Scenic view bridge to the left.
Again, it's like you're out in the middle of the desert here, but it's just so amazing, isn't it, and so rugged.
Beautiful.
It's
amazing to be out in the deserts, isn't it?
In all the west side of the United States, and then the southern part is like this as well. And then when you get up to Northern California, it completely changes. It goes like yellow grassland.
It does.
So just round the corner we've got the Hoover Dam security checkpoint. That's just here as we come round the corner on the left hand side. And then we're going to leave the Hoover Dam area, go up through Black Canyon, and eventually turn into Lake Mead National Recreation Area.
Yeah, well, that's right.
There's a sign there, look, it says thank you for visiting Hoover Dam.
Which is wonderful.
Yeah.
And again, it's still currently free to drive down. For
Yeah.
how long, I don't know.
Don't know, I can't really answer you that myself. There's another Chrysler Pacifica, a black one there, look.
That's the colour we had last year, wasn't it?
Yeah, we had a black motor last year. 35 mile an hour now here as we wind up. And we just get into Pacific time zone.